In this video, I am going to talk about one free certification courses, and this course is offered on top 10 frameworks in PHP by building projects. This course is offered by Eduonix. It is the free certification courses. So let's talk details about this course. Basically, PHP is the most popular web programming languages, originally designed to handle simply the back-end process of web pages. PHP has now also evolved as a general purpose programming languages. So if you're interested in PHP language, then you can do these free certification courses. It is totally free to do. The duration of this course is almost 17 to 18 hours. So if you are new to coding and have not yet determined which framework to use, or are fluent in one framework but have a willingness to learn another one, then this course is perfect for you. So let's see the section of these courses. Basically, this course has 78 lectures, and these lectures are divided into 12 sections. Here you can see first section is course intro, and here the second section you can see. Here all the section you can see or find out from there. Now let's see what are the prerequisites to do these courses. Right now there is no prerequisites to enroll these courses. That means everyone who are interested can do this course. And this course is prepared by Eduonix team. They are very much well trained up, and they are industry professionals to prepare to make these courses for you. So you can do this course from them and get your free certificate. So to enroll this course, here you will find one enroll now options. You just need to simply click over there. Then here you need to just simply click here sign up to create your account in Eduonix. So if you want, you can use your manually name, mail, password, or you can use here Google to create your new account here. Then you need to click here my dashboard. When you click here my dashboard, then you will get this page. Here you need to just have some basic information about you if you want, or you can just simply skip. Okay, then here you can see the course you just enrolled. Here you will get all of your courses that you enroll here. So in this way you can find your courses. From there you need to just click on the course name. When you click on the course name, then here you will find your course. Here you can see the course is opened here, and from there you can complete all the section, all the chapter one by one. Okay, so when you complete this, then here you need to click here generate certificate. Then you will get your certificate of completion totally free from these courses. So check the video description to get the link of these free certification courses.